I mentioned that getting back to all-time high, and through it many of the other days. I also mentioned that we could get faster as we get closer to it. This is all things that we already talked about. But the blue and white line is likely to be tested from above. It's not something that we should drag stops above in general, but getting through that all-time high is the major prerogative from what I can see. Could be up for an interesting overnight session as well. Many people, I feel like, are going to be trying to hold a short through the evening, and that's going to screw them, I think. Going to wake up with a gap to the upside, which won't make sense to a lot of people. Like I said, we can even have bad news and it'll still go up. If we push through today and end up continuing going higher tomorrow, it'll go to my point where I said down here, I was like, well, we could go for weeks for thousands of points off of that level, where literally it's marked even in text that the old all-time high, the 6k points above it, is the 261. We've been talking about that for a long time now. This is a clear reversal that could potentially go for thousands of points and for weeks. And that's what I said about that. And here we are, just having went sideways, so close to all-time high, so close to continuing that plan, so close to being in an environment where we're pumping on all cylinders through the all-time high. And in the video that I'm making right now, 28 seconds into it, I say, after we're done with this crap, we're just going to go through all-time high. That's the reality of it. How long do we need to linger on the cusp of all-time high? And then I get into explaining exactly how it's going to do that from the break of that red-yellow line down there. Yeah, we'll make our way through it ultimately. Oh yeah, for sure.